Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. In today's video, I am trying out the Urban Decay Face Bond Waterproof Foundation. I have been influenced, but before I jump into this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and without further ado, let's hop into it. So I went to Sephora to return and exchange the items that I mentioned in my previous video when I was checking the items out that I purchased. I will link that video up here or try to remember to put it in the description box. I promise you, your girl, I'll be forgetting. But needless to say, I did go into Sephora and I returned the Fashion Fair Stick Foundation, the Rare Beauty Blush, and the Huda Beauty lipstick, lip gloss, the Wishful concealer, and the Milk primer. And so I picked up Urban Decay Face Bond Self-Setting Foundation. It says water, sweat, and humidity proof, smudge and transfer resistant, no powder needed. Has 3% niacinamide. And it says it's lightweight, medium buildable coverage, non-comedogenic, meaning that it won't clog your pores. Also, it comes in 40 shades. Other things, it's a matte finish. It says it's good for dark spots, good for redness. So, only difference in today's video when it comes to foundation, I will not be doing one side brush, one side sponge. And to be honest, I just don't feel like going to wet a sponge, so it'll be applied with a brush. So I have shade 23 Neutral. I'm not really sure if this is the right shade because they had a lot of neutral shades, and you know, when you're swatching in Sephora, the lighting can be a little bit tricky. So I was just like, let me take this home, try it out, and if it works, keep it. If not, you already know it's going back to the store. It comes in 1 fluid ounce, which is standard for foundations. This is what it looks like. Everyone has been talking about this. This is like, you know, a viral foundation. I love that the packaging is so sleek and small that you honestly can pack this like in your purse or something. So what I'm going to do is use a primer that I always use. LYS Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. I don't know why I didn't re-up on this when I needed to. Also, if you purchased anything during the sale and you're trying to do an exchange, I'm here to let you know. If it's not an even exchange, then whatever you get, whatever new product you want, you will not get the discount off of that. Just letting you know. So I'm gonna shake it up. Ooh. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna shake it up. It doesn't say it needs to be shaken up, but that's just something that I do. And this is like what the nozzle looks like. So it's just a squeeze. You can squeeze directly. My hair getting stuck to my face. You can squeeze directly. So let's see. Let me squeeze it right here. I think this is a little, let me blend it in first before I get to saying, it's not right. Promise you the lighting at Sephora will trick you. Child, in the store, the one that's right up under it, 24, seemed like it was too dark. This isn't too bad, but it's definitely, I don't know how it's coming off on camera, but it's definitely a tad bit, like a teeny bit. Like, this could be my winter shade, so I'm not going to exchange it. It says that it's self-setting and it sets to a matte, so I'm going to move a little faster and just put it on the brush. Off the bat, I can see why it's saying self-setting because it has like a thickness to it, but it's not like it's sitting heavy on the face, like, but you can tell that it's like settling, not in your pores, but it's like drying down to where it's supposed to be. And I've only done foundation right up in here, and you can see the type of coverage that it's given for it to be lightweight, medium coverage. I'm liking that thus far. Okay, I'm back. Like I said, I exchanged the Rare Beauty blush for a highlight, a Positive Light in Flaunt. I don't think this is new. So this is what the color looks like. It is so beautiful. It's like a goldish type of color. It's not like gold, like yellow gold. Well, in the store, it looked more yellow gold. But anyways, I kind of went ham with the Rare Beauty blush, the liquid blush, and happy on both sides. So hoping this highlighter kind of help it out. Give it a nice whirl. It's on there. Ooh. You see that? That's pretty. I put a lot of blush, so that could be, I don't know if you're really seeing it real good, but I see the glistening. I see the highlight. I'm gonna have to blend it out just a little bit so it just don't look like a streak, and it blends out very, very good. Oh, I have one last thing that I went and got out of Sephora when I exchanged the items, and this is another of their gloss. This is in Lover. I was going for the clear one, but baby, it was gone. So here's what you have. I'm gonna take Juvia's Place in Coffee Bean. This gloss here is nice. Let me wipe it off the applicator before I stick it back in there. I don't want to turn the color of the gloss, but yeah, I highly recommend. You see how glossy my lips are? So I did not use any type of all over setting powder on my face. I did set my under eyes when I did the concealer, but that's it. So I'm going to do a wear test. It is 5:47. I'm gonna come back after stepping out for a little bit. I'm not sure, maybe I'll come back around like 10 o'clock, 9-ish, 10 o'clock, and show you guys what my face looked like after being out and about. But so far, I see why I don't need to set it. So I shall return. Okay, I am back, and it is now 9:50, so that has been 4 hours. I'm tired. I have ran errands, went out to eat, done laundry, and this makeup has held up. You can see my natural oils peeking through, but that occurs with any type of foundation that I wear right up in here. But everything else, my makeup is intact. And like I said, I did not put any all over face powder on my face. So this foundation, when it said that it is self-setting, it is definitely self-setting. And I'm not really sure how long it said it's supposed to last, but just look at my face. Okay, 4 hours later. Now I am going to test it out when the weather is a little bit more humid and hotter here in Houston. If I didn't mention the price, this retails for $40. It's 1.0 fluid ounces. You probably will be able to find a deal purchasing it directly from Urban Decay website, but you can definitely get it from Sephora. I think Sephora is giving samples, or you can just go and swatch inside the store. But all in all, the shade is a tad bit light. I could go in with an all over face powder, but this particular shade would definitely go perfect for the winter time. But I'm not even really tripping about it being just a tad bit light. I'm just loving the fact that I didn't have to add any extra powders. Now, if I want to, I can go in with like my translucent powder and our blotting powder right here. And you see, voila. It doesn't even look oily right here. Only thing that's missing is my lip gloss. So if you plan on getting this foundation, or if you have this foundation, let me know. Leave a comment down below. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thank you for watching. Baby,